Hello everyone, MPX Auto, it's James. How is today? In this video, we'd like to share how actually we finished the work in the truck. This one come with the standard factory radio screen over there, and some business in the part. The two camera, one at the back and one on the side of the pantex box. However, it it was stopped working before it come to MPX Auto, and we inspect and found the problem. The side camera didn't work, but the rear camera we could be able to activate it and reinstate it with our new HEADUNIT screen here. Furthermore, because the owner want to have the side camera, so actually you can have a look. There's a side camera down there on the side of the mirror. Okay, under the mirror there's a side camera, and we already activated it with rear camera factory and the side camera full HD anti-glare and super night vision camera. So now just focus on showing how the camera was done. If you reverse, you will see the reverse camera instantly. Okay, and this is how the reverse camera turns on automatically. Now assuming that you already saw the camera that's factory on top of the pantex box, see from the top down, and behind we have one vehicle. Now look, it will turn into the side wing mirror camera. Okay, that's a front camera, and it's see far on the side. We actually still wait the owner coming to make the final screw on the side camera to the best position that he wants for. So we haven't locked the side camera in yet, but everything already been done. Now have a look. Assuming that you put into dry and you suddenly want to see something behind the truck, and you cannot reverse, right? You're on the highway, you want to see anything. Look at there. Here we have a very special design and craft in the factory location and fit in down like factory, and it won't move. Okay, it won't move anywhere. But now look at this one is at the location that you can easily reach, and if you want driving and you want to see someone behind or anything behind, flick the switch. Okay, and now your reverse camera is on. Okay, that's how it would be. And if you don't want to see it anymore, you want to come back the navigation screen, you want to come back to CarPlay or radio, just flick the switch back there, and it will show the side camera in about 10 seconds, and then quickly it will jump back into the previous application soon after this. Yep, so that's how it is now. Hold on 1 second. But how if you want to see the side camera? Okay, so now if you want to see the side camera, go in here and then go in here, and then you go in sorry, 1 second, not Bluetooth, this one. Okay, and it will show the side camera on the time constantly. So imagine that you were driving and you want to see side camera, touch this one and it will go into the side camera right now. Okay, and that's how the dual camera setup works. And as long as you want to leave it on, it's on the side camera. And if you want to see the rear camera, flick the rear camera and it will show the rear camera again, and then you see the side camera again here like that. Okay, so that's how about we set up the dual camera in this Hino truck. Now we will make another video showing about how we actually install those things. You see that Pioneer D-Class high performance, high resolution speaker and tweeter. It's beautifully crafted in, and we measure precisely the location to make sure it will be good, it will be nice, and it won't touch anything wrong, and it will not touching the driver's seat, driver's side with legs, and no space compromise, but still adding in the high level of the sound system speaker. Not only that, look at here, we actually have the special inbuilt massage body under. Now it's behind driver seat, subwoofer and amplifier. Okay, so have a look here. And you see that that's the Pioneer seat and amplifier and subwoofer, carefully locked by special craft, the brackets and locked in firm and noise, and wiring is very safe and sound running, and the wiring everything is already done. Yep, and it won't affect to the movement of the seat. Absolutely. You don't see any wiring hanging because everything is nicely installed. Okay, that's how actually we have. Furthermore, we actually have the digital radio installed because this one actually is the signature one. So now we will talk about the signature system video inside this truck. Thank you. We'll see you then.